Nice, good afternoon. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cipher Block, in Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper of Thursday, January the 4th, 2024, we have here three regular puzzles. Two of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Four of them, 4 out of 7 I will do in the evening. But right now, I will solve this regular puzzle first. Yeah. And the news of today, well, I've heard on the news there's an earthquake in Japan. A lot of deaths in Japan. But also there was an airplane crash with 2 airplanes. Yeah. I believe 4 people are killed there. Yeah. That's the news of today. Alright, the Jigsaw Sudoku. This will be number 7735. Okay. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. It's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, I don't think so. I think it's a 1 star. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Well, actually, yeah, 20 to 30 minutes. But I think it's a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I ain't see any dual boxes. And next question, do we have here triple boxes then? Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, we have a triple box. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and other numbers could be everywhere. More triple boxes. Let me check. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? We have a couple of quadra boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. We have a quadra box here. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quadra box in the L shape, and when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Okay. The quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, this box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the 3 could be everywhere. More quadra boxes. Let me check here. Another one in the L shape. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. And this box can be a 2, and this box can be a 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L shape area for number 1. Alright. More. Here we have another quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Do we have more quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy, my following strategy, is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Rotated the L shape. Let me draw it here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then these 2 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Let me mark those 1 and a 4. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Then I think these 3 boxes surround the 2 in this cross area can be a 2. So the only place left for the 2 in this cross area should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 is left in this quadra L shape for number 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and the 3 goes at there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Okay, this can't be a 3 anymore. Okay, 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. We already have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, alright. Then these two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 4. Also, that box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me see. This box can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here. Well, I need a 2 here. I cannot place the 2 there. If I place a 2 here, then this box should be the same as that box. A 2. This box should be the same as that box. Should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 there. So the only number left should be the 3 here. Here, the 1, the 4. Yeah, this should be the 3. Is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. So I need a 2 here. Okay. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. Okay. Then let me think. These two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. So 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. A 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box can be 2, this box can be 4, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And the final two numbers, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. Should be a 1 star with 16 printed digits. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Thursday.